Hello everyone. Let's back to this video and we complete our playlist to fix problem and make some testing and build some features on e-commerce system. So let's get started and let's go to the website and let's see what we can add on the dashboard. So order management, t-shirt. So this is our static data. So this is our static data. We want to replace. So let's go to the to see the product. So we have t-shirt Nike with 123. So this was static data. So we want to get this from the database. So let's go. I want to make new controller for the dashboard. So sorry. So PHP artisan make controller and let's name a dashboard controller. So we don't go to the specific directory of the backend. Make backend, and let's execute this command to build a new controller that will work with the database and get output for the client. So he created successfully. Let's go and the dashboard controller. So let's build public function and let's make index. Now we want to get an order. So first product, but here we don't, here product management, we just need one product from the list of product. So as you can see here, what is here, we don't need all this, just one. So we get the latest or having by one. And in my case, I want to get the latest. So let's make the latest. Okay. And let's make product. And here let's make product. Latest, take just one. And let's see in this product. So here product. Sorry. So let's copy this upper product and let's get product. So here just latest and take one from the latest. So here let's make product and just copy this. I will paste here. Okay, so also for the orders and the transaction, orders, the orders, the transaction, and here I will get from the payment. So latest, take one and get. Okay, so let's copy this to get an array of variables. So orders, transactions, and let me with s. So let okay. So latest. Let make latest. Past latest. Now let's see what next is. So let's copy this and let's define the APIs router. So we go to the admin and let's just copy this, and here I just let's define our controllers. So where is the transaction, and here let's make latest static or something like that. I want to just copy this. So let's go to the dashboard, admin, and here let's make new effect to display the data. Use effect. So let's get the extension. Okay, so we make honest fetch a latest. Let's make async, and here so let get the token if not don't have the token. So just return, and let's copy the token here. Now try to, so we just make latest static and APIs. So try and catch an error and just console log the error. And let's build the state for this list. Let me make model search and the latest and let me set latest, and by default is null null or an empty array. So set latest. So let's modify this latest. Now let's go to the latest. So what is the problem here? So const response, and let's make data, and in headers. So const data, and let's make wait for the response in JSON, and set latest data. So also let console this to see if any problem. Console data. So also in this let apply the function fetch. Just copy this. So if any error, unexpected uh, this, so what is the problem? Late static. So okay, so const and here that validate the token. Catch an error and let console. So fetch latest. I don't know what is the problem, but let's go to the so is the same name. Pressing ECMAScript source file must be initialized. Okay, so fetch latest. So use an effect. Okay, let and here use effect. So let's make the effect as token type of define and the local storage. So to get the token, sorry, here dust don't need this. Let's make equal token. Const it token dot get it token. So let's just copy this and repaste latest static. Just to confirm that the path is really correct. Sorry. So here and set latest, so const the data, so let's make latest. Sorry, where is the point? Let's just return the data and let's see what the JSON can return. Five issue. Let's see the dashboard. Pending on the transactions. So latest we have product of 1. We have an array. Okay, so good. Now here let product management, and here let make the map. So here let make latest dot map. So here let to enter to access the product. So let just copy this. and here that make inside tags. Also this let make here and remove this. Now let include the item dot title, and here let's make item dot so we don't need description, just the title. So here the item dot the price, maybe after we can add the category, so also this top price, and here let's make and we have the action. Okay, also let product name, so let's see this. So the latest here is this product is called core line with $12 and let's see now. So we have products with $12 in the stock. Let's see the product name. So here product not title but the name. So here core line, as you can see, with the price and stock. Okay, so we continue and to do with the order management and with the transaction. Now let's just copy this and go to the order. On the tier here, let's make access the orders, and so first is the order ID, after the customer. So let's skip this for now. Total, so let's go to the orders, so order list or order items, I think. I don't remember, sorry. So order items, so here in order items, let's go to the dashboard controller. So just here, let's go to the dashboard controller, order item and orders. So quantity, total, and let's make here total. Status we have created. So for status we can skip for now, edit and delete. Now let's see, so we have one with total 246. Also for, so we can make the product name. So here let's make product name. Name, and after ID, let's make product name. so that you can spell on product name. And now what's the problem? Why he don't display? Item.product name, total. Also for the transaction, let's go to the payment. Sorry. So let's see the tables. Show tables, and here let's go to the payment. This select the payment. So we have the payment now. We have the username and email ID and amount, and let's make this status. But here I don't know why he don't fetch the product name. So let's make product ID. So that product name. So here is return product name successful. But I want the customer name. Okay, so customer name, or let's make customer without customer name and product name. And here let's just, for example, make a fake name like Mark. Okay, so customer and the product and total and turn action. So for the action, I think here is we can not add this because the admin don't allow to modify the orders of client, or maybe forget, sorry, not forget, but delete the order. So now we want to get the customer name. Okay, so customer name, let's make your order items. Let's go to the model order items, fill up a product, and to the product. But here also I want to make with user, with user. So the order item is belong to the user, and the user can have more the order, sorry, order item has many order item, and on the order item here let's modify by relationship on the user. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard, orders, and here order items with, sorry, user and make latest. So an order and orders. Let's see the orders now. So object, orders, product name, but orders. Let's see now, because we make relationship between two models of the orders and the customer, the user now. So let's see the orders, and we have the user. For the user here we have null. Why? With user latest, take on the user. User now is null. Belong to user, and on user, let's see, order item has many order item. Okay, so let's go to the order item. So with items, I think I don't make a relationship with the foreign case, sorry. Now, so this because display the null. I will go to the dashboard now, orders, and here let's make order with item. Okay, so let's see now. Transaction account. So, but here I just order. Okay, so items, not item. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard. So here I forget the S. Let's refresh now, and now it's good. Let's see the orders, and inside the orders we have an orders items. So now the user ID is, as you can see, 9. Okay, and we have items, and items with the so let's make item with order with item, and also here let's make two relationship items and the on the order user to get all what I need from the user. Let's see now. Let's go to the user. We have an orders. Let's go to the orders and let's see what is user. So the orders has many, the user has many orders, sorry. And for the user, orders has many order. Okay, so I think here is for the dashboard. Let's remove just this. Items. We have an orders. So the user ID and also the items which display items. But as you can see here is user has many user. That on the dashboard user has many, so order has many, you know. So let's go to the dashboard and make user to get the order, to get the name of the user or the customer. Let's see now. So order with user and the user order. I don't know why he cannot get the So let's see the migration orders table. So orders user ID. So here I have the user ID constraint for an ID. So now other items, order ID, and for the order item, sorry, order, I make user, okay, as many user belong to. So the customer can make more than has many or more than order, and the user and the order is specific to user. User orders. So product orders. Let's return to the dashboard. I think something is wrong. Dashboard controller. So here the order. So sorry. I make an array. So let's refresh. I make an array, but with single relationship function. I think now that so customer transaction. So order with user latest. So let's make items. Orders here and the items. Order number, shipping status, user ID. But so sorry. Let's see now. Let's ask ChatGPT about this. So let's see now. Load multiple relationship with items. So inside the array, let's make, sorry, remove this and this so we don't need. So we make two relationship inside an array. Let's see the dashboard now. So we have an object and this another object, but still not working. So not display. Also, let's send him the order migration tables. Where is the problem? So the order has many. Correct version is each order so belong to, not but, sorry, an orders here has many, but here I make mistake that user, so an order belong to, and on the user has many, and the orders has many. So now let's see Firefresh. So I was wrong on the relationship. Let's see what is the problem again. So the orders we have user belong to, but the problem I think on the dashboard, and here I just we don't know we don't this, and let refresh again. Now I think it will work. So as you can see now it worked. Let's see the orders, and inside we go to the users, not items but users. So this, and on the users let's go to the users name. So here on the customer name, so what is here on the customer name, the items dot name, sorry, dot user, we want to access user and we want to access the name. Now is testing, okay, because as name of testing, So here, as you can see, my profile name is testing. So I will don't make a video more long. So try to like the video and subscribe and share with your friends. And I will see you on the next video with a new error or new features or solving some bugs. So thank you for watching and enjoy this video.